Hello, Chef Val here. I want to teach you about black garlic. I love it. It's so absolutely delicious. Many people have never heard of it, or they don't know what it is, or they're kind of confused. So I thought I would just teach you a little bit about black garlic so you can start using it. And I have created some wonderful recipes with black garlic also, so you can get some recipes featuring the black garlic. I am Chef Val, and I've been teaching healthy, whole foods, vegan cooking classes since 1997. I am the author of 5 cookbooks. You can find all my cookbooks and everything that I have to offer on my website, macroval.com. So, black garlic, what is it? Well, it is regular old garlic that has been cooked for a long time at a low temperature. The best way for you at home to make garlic is maybe invest in one of these garlic makers. They're called garlic fermenters, but the garlic is not really fermented. The garlic is kind of cooked at a low temperature. 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. That's what they call it, right? It's a machine that you plug in and you punch in how many days you want it to cook at a low temperature, and then the garlic comes out. This has been what I have discovered to be the easiest way to make black garlic. Now, why would you want to make black garlic? Because it's so absolutely delicious. So traditional garlic, I love it, and I do use it in my cooking, and it has this wonderful pungent flavor. And when you put the garlic in your mouth, you get that hot pungent, which is fantastic in certain recipes. However, sometimes that pungent flavor is overwhelming to some people, and they really can't handle that high pungent flavor. So when they make the black garlic, the flavor changes. I'm telling you, black garlic is naturally sweet. Yes, it goes from this incredible pungent flavor to this wonderful sweet flavor. I have some like prepared here. So we have the black garlic. This is what it looks like. It is very black and it's soft. It's very soft and chewy. I say it's like the texture of a gummy. It's so incredibly awesome once it cooks at a low temperature for a long time. Like I said, it's soft and it's chewy and it has a natural sweet flavor to it. And garlic has tremendous healing benefits: antibiotic properties, antifungal properties, antiviral properties, anti-inflammatory properties. Now, when they take the garlic and they cook it for a long period of time, now this garlic gets cooked for 7 days in the garlic fermenter machine at a low temperature. The black garlic does have smaller amounts of the allicin in them, and this is the compound that gives garlic most of its health benefits. So again, the health benefits are still there. They're just in smaller quantities. So I don't know about you, but I can't eat raw garlic because it's too pungent. But this black garlic, I can eat like 5 to 10 cloves a day. So the more you eat, the more health benefits you're getting from it. Now, the black garlic is excellent for your heart. It's great for your liver. Contains vitamin B6. And of course, I mentioned all those properties. It helps boost your immune system so that you can stay healthy and fight off diseases. So it turns black because it cooks at that low temperature for such a long time. Let me show you. So when you get the garlic fermenter, there's many different brands. This is just happens to be the one that I got. You put the garlic in this basket, and then, like I said, it cooks for about 7 days at a low temperature. And then when it's done, you've got these garlic cloves. Okay, they come out like so. And then you break off the individual cloves, and then you peel it, and you've got the chewy little gummy black garlic. It's almost like, I tell people it's like eating a piece of candy. It's so fantastic. You just peel it like so. Right? You just peel off the skin. Sometimes the skin comes off much easier than other times, but it well worth the treat. You can just pop it right in your mouth and just eat it. That's all there is to it. Like I said, I've created some other recipes. I've put it in soups. I've put it in purees where I made sauces with it. So it works very well like that. To store it, I have not refrigerated it. I just basically put it in a big glass jar, and I've had it up to 4 or 5 weeks and it has not gone bad. Now, I love it so much. I eat it all the time. And I have customers that like it also. So I've never had it longer than that. So I'm just letting you know you don't need to refrigerate it. So this is your black garlic. And thank you so much for tuning in and watching the video. I just wanted to teach you about black garlic because I love it so much. So if you get an opportunity, try it. You know, there are some stores that sell it too, or you can make your own black garlic. Remember to check out my website, macroval.com, for all that I have to offer. Remember, your journey to eating healthy begins with one small step. Let's make that small step black garlic.